Before you start, check the contents of your kit and that you have all of the materials shown in the part diagram and/or the listed parts list. Step 1. On the Coroplast body, use the push pin to mark 4 locations for screw-eyed axle holders. You want your axles to be parallel and running straight ahead. Consider this as you mark the holes for the axle holders. Step 2. Insert the screw eyes through the Coroplast into the wood blocks. If necessary, widen a starter hole for the screw eye in the wood with the push pin. When screwing in the screw eyes, you can use a dowel as a lever to make turning easier. Step 3. Ready to receive axles. Select the shorter axle and the 2 wheels. Using sandpaper, very lightly sand the end of the dowel and insert into the wheel. Step 4. Snippets of tubing are used as the inline shaft retainers. Cut 4 small pieces of length 1 centimeter or 1/4 inch. Work the tubing pieces onto the axle shaft. Step 5. The inline shaft retainer keeps the wheels from rubbing against the body. With the axle in place through the screw eyes, slide another tubing piece onto the shaft and mount the second wheel. Step 6. Select the longer axle, 2 wheels, and the red pulley. The small red pulley may require the axle to be sanded. To keep the dowel round, twist the axle in the folded sandpaper. Do not sand off too much, the pulley must grip the axle firmly. Step 7. Slide the pulley onto the axle. If the pulley is loose, try jamming a piece of masking tape under it or use a glue gun. Attach a piece of tubing and a wheel. If the wheel is loose, you may use the wood glue or white paper glue to hold it. Step 8. Mount the driven axle, slide onto another piece of tubing and the last wheel. Step 9. Place the motor with the motor pulley attached into the motor clip. The motor clip has a protective layer over the sticky back. Peel this off when you are ready. Step 10. With the elastic band drive belt around the driven pulley and the motor pulley, position the motor clip so the elastic band has an easy tension, not too loose and not too tight. Step 11. Attach the alligator clips of the solar panel and the 2 metal terminals at the back of the motor. Solar panels produce direct current electricity. Note that reversing the conditions at the back of the motor will reverse the direction of the motor's spin. Run in the sun. Try holding the solar panel on tighter with a small piece of Scotch tape or Velcro. You can as well use recycled materials, design a movable holder for the solar panel to let it turn towards the sun.